In this guide we are showing you how to install a fixed acrylic bathtub in 4 steps. Step 1. Base of the bathtub. Step 2. Installation of the drain. Step 3. Bricklaying and filling sand. Step 4. Tiling. Step 1. Mix 8 parts sand and gravel with 1 part cement to make a steady base. Ensure that the size of the base matches the dimensions of the bathtub. Adjust the base as necessary to achieve a perfectly level surface. Place the bathtub on the base and make sure the bathtub is leveled. Bathtub inherits an internal slope, so you do not have to give slope towards drain. Step 2. Once the base have been leveled, remove the bathtub to fix bottom drain. These are the tools we are going to use to fix bathtub's drain to bathroom's master drain. Use silicone and fix the pop-up drain to the bathtub. Followed by a 1.5 inch elbow and pipe. As shown in the video, while making sure all the connections are as tight as needed and leak-proof. Remove the surface protection film from the sides, making sure it doesn't get trapped between the wall and the bathtub. Position the bathtub on the leveled surface with the pipe attached. Connect the other end of the drain pipe to the bathroom's main drain. Cover the pipe and fill any remaining gap under the bathtub. Step 3. Start laying bricks while adding sand to fill space around the bathtub. Make sure to avoid using cement at the sides of the bathtub to prevent depigmentation later down the line. Use a stick or a plank to push sand into every empty space around the bathtub. While laying bricks, keep adding sand where needed. Ensure no empty pockets of air remains around the bathtub. You can also use water to compact down the sand and add more sand as needed. Step 4. Plaster the walls for tiling and let it set overnight. Proceed by laying tiles the next day. Once construction is complete, remove the surface protection film. With that, you have successfully installed a fixed bathtub. By following these steps, any desired look can be achieved. In this other installation, tiles are flush with the bathtub, however, the overall method remains the same. This is a standard process, known to all professional plumbers and mason workers. In case of any assistance required, please feel free to contact us at our toll-free number.